Champions. There you go. Ooh, it looks a bit green, doesn't it?
Welcome to Michelle's radio repair channel. It's the MRR now, not the BGG.
The MRR. Michelle's radio repairs.
Which I can only do with Pweb by my side.
Oh, you know why it looks green? Because of the fluoro. Oh, the LED, sorry.
Oh, it's a bit moody now.
Moody.
Moody.
What's going on?
Let's not worry about that one for the moment. We'll work on this area.
Okay.
Because we know
I'll
that.
trace it out if you want. So that's got a green wire going to it, so that might just be ground. It's green on the other side.
No,
oh no, it's not.
It's
Insulated.
It's insulated, and that goes back to.
Oh, you know what that is?
It's for the switch. It's but that doesn't relate to the value. Is that a 600 volt cap?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
That's probably a tone control.
It is.
Yeah, tone. So that's C23.
And that's saying it's a 0.01 here.
It says it's 5 nano here. 5 nanofarad over here.
Yeah.
I'll just start removing stuff.
Which is what it is drawn as.
Yeah. All right. We'll go with that.
Hey, Frankie boy, how you going, legend?
Can I please have
that
some
no,
folder?
No.
No, we can't follow. It's a great ledge. 2026.
Which was the one you want to use? Yep.
Use the rest of my remaining 511.
I'll send you some down, bro.
That's all right. Get it all. Come here.
Now, I've made it subscribers only to Chat Champions. That keeps the bots out. And it also encourages you to bloody subscribe. So subscribe, would you? Please. Thank you. Happy New Year to you, brother. Yeah, it's the first live stream for 2026.
Just poke it through.
It's twisted on.
Push through that way, and cut the loop off. There we are.
Yep.
Okay.
Just trying to get the camera angles
See a
and
loop
working.
like that. We just push it through instead of trying to drag it back through the hole.
The other snippers that hold things. No, sorry, the other ones, the pliers. Yeah, I was getting there with my words. Pliers, thanks.
Words.
Snippers that don't cut, they hold.
Yeah, well,
Mm.
33.
What's going on with my levels here? Why is that so quiet? Testing here, yeah.
We're not making much noise, mate.
Yeah, it's just it's a bit of we're down around minus 15 dB for some reason when I haven't changed any settings, but that's OBS for you, isn't it? Just changes stuff randomly without you doing anything to trigger it. Hey, testing, hey, yeah, testing, hey, yeah, testing, hey, yeah, testing, hey, yeah, testing, hey, yeah. Minus 3 dB. 0 dB. Are we clipping now? Oh, yeah, we would be. Are we clipping now? Are we clipping now? Are we clipping now? Are we clipping? No, we're not. Okay. I think that's healthier. I'm going to have to listen to that now, though.
You do that.
Pin one's no connection.
No connection. So it's just ground then.
Yeah.
Sweet as.
So if we're going to connect him over here now,
Which one?
if we're going to put this funky pants,
Yeah, between that one and this one.
do I need to get rid of this stuff so I can put him in there?
Yes, you'll need to remove the solder from that so you can get the little.
So I need to kind of pull this out and then put it back in.
Yeah, that's probably one way to do it. And that way, but be careful of that fine wire, as I said, that's directly on there.
Just don't touch it. Simple.
Oh, it's in there.
Well, just get some heat on this side and see what happens.
I can say
Pull it out this way.
testing.
Put it on this side.
Yeah.
Testing.
5 nano.
No.
It's 20. There's something wrong with those values. I don't think I've got a capacitor that size. I do. No? Got it out yet?
Yep.
Okay.
The old tin of crap.
Mate, I've been carrying that around for 65 years.
Oh yeah. It's very
To solve the problem there.
it's very much a requirement as you get older to have a little jar full of random bolts and screws and stuff. Lifesaver.
Saved my life many a time. Alright, 002. Why you a capacitor?
Oh, I think the audio's alright.
Okay. Can you grab me over there as like a knife?
Yep. Looks like I'm the assistant now, eh?
Hey, how times have changed.
Art knife for me.
Sure.
Just scrape the schmoo off.
I know, look at me.
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
Just getting stuck in, mate.
1002 600.
.002. Oh, orange drop.
My secret stuff. So how do you think she's going, boss?
Sorry?
I said, how do you think she's going, boss?
I don't know. No idea. Let's see if it blows up when she turns it on.
Oh, it won't blow up, so I'll make sure of that.
So I'm going to snip this a bit shorter.
Which one?
Got
This one?
To
go back in there?
No, I wouldn't do that. I think I would be tending to... No, it's broken now anyway.
Ah,
Got some rustling. I think your
Hang on.
it's my party shirt.
they
They can't even see my party shirt.
sequins are messing up the mic.
We'll just take that one off
Party
so we
shirt.
can see what it is. But moving that has broken the wire, so we have to find another one.
Okay.
Bugger. Mark, how you going, legend? Happy New Year, brother.
Oh, I think that's the bloody bottle.
Lucky Jim. Happy New Year.
That is too. Bastard. 425. I think I know where I can find one of those.
Okay.
So, you've been working on replacing that, and that.
Should I put the pants in first or just wait until you've got the other one ready?
Put the pants in.
Oh, look, it's like little pins.
It's a Panasonic film capacitor.
Yes.
Just hold it here.
I've just got to find out.
It's like little Ken pins.
Little Ken pants.
Okay, let's get rid of this guy. This is why you come here, isn't it? Like for my actual no idea what I'm talking about. Jibber jabber.
Jibber jabber. Just be careful of that barrel of the soldering iron. You don't want to touch anything else. The silly flukes with their big fat barrels.
We haven't learned.
Oh no. I think it's my beard rubbing on the mic.
Do this one, can I have a trim?
So what's everyone up to? I know it's pretty late for everyone in the States. Maybe on the West Coast. Everyone's still awake.
Damn.
No, did I ruin it?
I recommend July. Yeah, for Alaska. I think so too. You ever been to Alaska?
No, I have not.
You've been to Canada.
I have been.
Canada. Several times.
No, just twice.
Twice.
I've been to Niagara Falls and
That was before you knew me.
yeah, I went with the girls after summer camp, and we went to somewhere, and I ordered a vodka lemonade because that's what I used to drink when I was 18. But it was traditional lemonade. It was gross.
Traditional lemonade?
Yeah, you have to ask for Sprite.
Oh, really?
You can't say lemonade.
What's traditional lemonade?
Like traditional lemonade.
So
like
it's not sweet.
lemon.
It's just like really, really bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. And so anyway, I said, ugh. And then I went back 10 years ago, actually, this year. And I did for work.
I can't believe that was 10 years ago. It feels like about 2 or 3, eh?
Yeah, because Flinny was born. And I did Rocky Mountaineer. And went to
And I stayed at home and worked.
Lake
Come on,
Louise.
don't be chattering. You've done a bit chattering.
Do you know that women can multitask?
Don't you know that people view YouTube to watch chatter?
Do they really?
If you come and just solder in silence, it'd be a bit boring, wouldn't it?
We're not aiming to get any work done.
I don't. Simple.
It's alright. Just take longer. I'm just being grumpy.
Yeah, I know.
Well, people have got to be grumpy when they're teaching people.
Not really. I think your tip's blocked, bro. Let me
the
sort that
thingy.
out. You carry on.
Give me the thingy.
The thingy? Oh, you got the thingy already?
Yeah, man.
Trying to find you a better capacitor.
Oh, there goes the carpet.
Oh, yeah, watch out.
Not the carpet.
Got another blob on the carpet. Where'd it go?
Don't worry about it.
Just add to the collection.
Maybe I'll do it this way that I learned yesterday.
You all should come. We're headed over now. Yeah, see you in a minute. Brad, have you ever wax potted a pickup? Yeah, many times. I've got a little dual purpose StewMac. They don't make it anymore. I wonder if it was a safety issue. They've got a little glue pot. It's meant for hide glue, but you can also use it to melt wax. I've got just a mason jar that I store, I forget the percentage, it's like 60-40 paraffin to beeswax or something. And yeah, I'll just get it up to temp. Takes a while because it's only meant for hide glue, but once it gets up to temp, it stays there for a good amount of time. I just cover it with a towel to get it going. And you just dip the pickups in until bubbles stop coming out. So it's usually about 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. Drain off the excess and wipe it off. Makes it much more useful for rock and roll. Non-potted pickup is a pretty lively thing, but you use it through a reasonable gain amp and she'll feed back like crazy. It's a good idea to grab the offcut with your pliers, just so it doesn't fly across the room. You see all that test gear over there, it's got vents in it.
It's super awkward.
An offcut flies through there. I often just put your finger on the end of it like that and just go like that. And see it's captive in your finger. Sweet as, bro. Ooh, made in England. She's a crowded little bugger, isn't it?
Yeah, I think this will do. We found one. It's 440 and it's about 10 picofarad off. That's all right.
What cap?
It's the pada capacitor.
Pada.
Pada.
Oh, you just pull one from that one?
Yeah.
Right.
It was 425 and this one's 414, so that'll do.
Mm.
You put that one back in when you broke the other one off.
Icky.
But don't bend the wires close to the pack.
Does that give me enough on there?
Yeah, should do.
See what they've done there?
Yeah.
They've bent it away from the body.
Yeah.
So same if you're going to bend this one, bend it about 3 mil from the body.
How about I just don't bend it?
Otherwise it can crack.
Well, you're going to have to make it fit in there.
Well, let's go the bendy end on this side.
Yeah, you do that. You go like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I think we need to clean that. It's probably about a 60-year-old bit of oxidation there.
So what was wrong with the pada capacitor in this one?
Yep.
Oh, snapped off.
She moved,
Well, there you go.
she moved and broke.
It's pretty
She broke it.
definitive.
She's too violent.
So the one that's a real pain in the ass value is
It's very critical for the tracking of the tuning.
yeah, might have to get some on order.
No. Oh, you wouldn't. Yeah, well, you could. These are mica, sealed mica.
Yeah, but you could probably use a ceramic zero Tempco,
Yeah.
NPO, whatever they call it.
I don't know how they would go. They always use mica on these. There you go. I'll give you that. You can. I'll be the sourcing person.
You're my saucer.
You're the procurement.
Procurement. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the word. And
Procurement
He was
department.
doing all the dirty work like yesterday.
yeah, you can actually stick that one there like
It's
somewhere,
the purchaser.
and then have that one going up through the through the hole.
Okay.
Little pada cap.
But at the same time, put that one on. Oh, we just
Oh,
dropped
don't drop it.
Oh no!
it. I found it. There you go.
Come on, you little bugger.
Sometimes it's good to have a little bit of solder wick. You've seen me use that before.
A lot of fresh solder. Oh no, yes, yep.
Solder wick. Sometimes if you can't get in there 90 degrees with the
So,
thingy.
oh, it's going to be like an Easter bed.
Might be able to put your little one in there first.
No, lucky Jim.
But I
She's
feel
not on
like-
the wines. She's having a Coke.
You don't want to have that close. You want to have it about there.
So then, but I feel like it's not going
Hang
to,
on.
yeah.
Let's go with
Can you
this.
go flip it the other way?
Well, that way, then it's away from the ground.
I mean, flip the lead around, but.
I don't understand what you mean. Show me.
So at the moment, so this feels like it's not going to, but could you not flip it that way?
Why? What's the
Then
difference?
you might break the lead,
What's the
pulling it back.
difference?
Yeah, look,
Go
true.
like, go like this. Get a bit more length in there. Go like that.
It's a man versus bear. Yeah.
That one goes now like so.
True words, AP.
Yeah, okay, that looks a bit better.
Yeah.
So put him down like that.
Do that one first.
Yeah.
You'll need some fresh solder because you've got to tin that lead. Tin that lead that's poking out from your fingernail.
Put solder on the end.
It's not
Yep.
tinned yet.
Yeah, I just have to remember what that means. That's me thinking.
A little blob of blue tack works good for holding it. You just stick it to a nearby surface. Move that in a little.
That's what I got fingers for, bro.
Fingers. And now you find out you need 3 arms.
I showed you yesterday.
Yeah, I know. It's this way first and then move it to the solder.
Just be careful not to melt the body of it.
You don't know what it
Do you? I don't know. What do you reckon, champions? Is it
is. Beer o'clock?
is it beer o'clock yet?
It bloody well is. This
I
is
think
very
it's-
stressful.
To this end, yeah?
Might be beer o'clock.
That's it.
It's,
I heat this bit and move it
quarter
to the solder.
5.
Well, at the same time, you just do it in one operation. You get used to doing it. It takes you about 2 seconds instead of half an hour.
Look at that look.
Look at that. I've already got it. Boom. First
Wonderful,
go.
wonderful.
So just chill.
Most
And I'll
beers
put some
smell
fresh
better.
solder on that tag on the body as well. It'll just brighten up a bit.
Just watch your barrel. We'll replace that wire anyway, but just good thing to be aware of. Do you want to clean that solder off first? Put new stuff on?
I just put new stuff on there.
Oh, yeah, but get all the old
It
stuff
won't
on.
matter. Just see if you can stick it, that'll do.
Okay.
That way we'll get it done today.
Do you want to?
You
want a
guys
beer?
are not fucking
Yeah,
funny.
well, thanks.
All right, I'll grab a beer. I'm staying away.
Okinawa?
Okinawa. Sounds good.
Sorry, Michelle, I don't mean to be having fun with at your expense.
Yeah, sure, right. Don't believe you, Pweb.
Well, something. That's not wrong with Got it on there yet? It's going to fall off when you put more solder on it.
There you go, big fella.
Thank you, mate. Told you.
Oh, shut up.
Cheers.
Prost. Oh, sorry. Japanese beer. Kanpai.
Kanpai! What the hell was that?
I don't know, was that outside?
It sounded like it. Probably a kookaburra fart.
Shotguns. Around here, it's more likely to be a backfiring shitbox car.
Doesn't matter what way the riding goes.
No, it doesn't matter.
So I can put him in and then flip him up.
No one's going to be replacing that again, so... Well,
Or do you want him just to be like this, hanging out, loosey-goosey?
Probably should go up underneath. That's why I was suggesting you put it on first. Just slip it up in there, underneath that one. Otherwise, you don't want it sticking up because when it goes into the cabinet, it may push down and short it out or something. You can use the pliers to sort of hold it up there and then bend the wires over with your finger or...
So you want him down like this?
Yeah, it's a neat way of doing it. Just use the tip of a screwdriver or something, yeah.
Yeah, I need another something.
There you go, use that. Just to save your finger. Just bend it,
We'll take your eye out.
push it crossways, just out this way. so it can't fall out of the hole.
That'd be right like that. Is there anything else passing through that hole?
I'd have to look at my photo.
No, there was nothing else there.
No, you should be good then. Just it's a good idea to keep the lead length a little bit longer if you can with film caps, because they're basically a jelly roll of foil and plastic film, and if the lead gets hot it can destroy the capacitor.
I didn't shorten them.
You do have a resistor going
No,
on
I'm
as well.
just saying if you can give it a bit of space, that's why it's got the little kink there, because you shouldn't be soldering any closer than the little kink.
Well, this guy was over here.
Yeah, well that's, yeah. And you had a 15k. There's another one you've already taken out somewhere, have you? Yeah,
There's one
Yeah, I
down
have.
here,
Yeah, I have. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that came from 4 tags down.
Oh, he went from there to there.
Yeah, that's it.
So he is.
15k like the one just there it is.
Is that the small one?
Yeah. Tell me which one's a 15k.
Oh, the big one, because you just put it down?
No, but, do you want me to bring up the resistor colour chart again?
Nope.
Oh, come on.
Nope.
All right, we'll feed them to you.
Yes.
At the same time, you got to replace that one. The one that one here, that goes in the same hole of this end one.
This one here
Oh, yeah, it goes in here.
goes in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not ready for that one yet. So I'm going to put him in here. Can I strip his legs before I put him in?
It's true.
Right.
I'd bend it out so that it's going to be wrapped across the tag, but not too close. And then, if you want, you can even...
Hang on. You have to move it out a little bit. Go back. So when you're forming the leads, right, they try and bend beyond where you're trying to form. So if you want this one to go here, I'd probably mount it. It's probably got a... Yeah, we've got enough clearance there. You could just go
Oh, so stand
like
it back.
that. Probably want to go a bit further, so because they are insulated, the body, but if it scratches away at the insulation it can short out. So probably just create your hook in isolation outside of the thing like that. Straighten that leg a bit. We could steal some more of Dad's Teflon stuff for this.
Carry it away, you kid.
I'll buy you some.
Go like that, and then 270-degree bend.
Right.
That's
You
what I do anyway.
want the protractor?
And I just bent them by accident because I'm thinking of a comeback to Dad's smart arsery.
Welcome to my life.
Yeah, you can use that one.
Yeah, okay. All right, now I'm getting my OCD going, so I'm going to redo this.
This is Michelle's radio repair
Yeah,
station.
okay. This is triggering. Bit of Teflon. You want to cut off
There's some there.
about a half an inch. No, 3/4 of an inch. You don't talk inches. You don't talk inches or millimeters, though.
Nope.
All right. I better just walk away and let you keep going, eh? Otherwise, I'm going to take over.
Well, that's what I'm afraid of.
Yeah.
I'll just start to show us something, and then I'll just might as well just keep doing.
There you go. Leg. Keep forgetting to go on camera.
And why are you Tefloning it?
Just say if it touches anything nearby, it won't short out.
See, when you violently throw it on the bench, or your shelf, or in the back of your car, like you reckon you were going to do, it might bend things.
Or it's more if it does get pulled out of the box again and someone inadvertently pushes it with their finger, it can bend down and now it can touch something.
Well, it's only going to be either of you two. So, I mean...
Yeah, but, you know, we might be stupid one day and do that.
One day.
Steady on.
Bro.
Yeah, it's too far apart. Brad, mod in a USB port so I can plug it into the computer. Bluetooth. Give it Bluetooth.
Just use the transmitter.
Give it the old blueies. Alright, yeah. Alright, so nice soft bends. And I grab about the height of the tab, see internally there, a little bit more. Just bend it like that, like Beckham. Pass it through there. You gotta poke your tongue out while you're doing it though. That's where I bung it up.
See, I wasn't doing it, so my tongue stayed firmly in my mouth.
And solder that.
So, all right. So let's fill this hole, fill that hole. Does it matter that this one is touching the pants?
Nah, not from the outside.
Okay.
And that resistor's got to go through.
Yeah, this guy's touching that guy.
No, that's all right.
Okay.
Yeah,
I got to replace him.
Oh, he's getting replaced.
Yeah, man,
okay.
just keep up with this. Keep up with us.
All right.
Gosh.
I still reference the chat.
Like you're literally both just sitting there watching.
I'm watching the chat. Mm-hmm. Frankie says he still references the chart from time to time. There's no shame. Yeah, man. I forget. I just mental blank, and it's better to be safe than sorry, eh? See you, Frankie. Take it easy, mate. Thanks for joining us. Looking good. Just give it a sec to cool down, because that capacitor doesn't like heat. No capacitors really do. Heat is their enemy.
Well, they should stay out of the kitchen.
Yeah. Might want to solder that one from the other side so you don't touch that one. Leave it up, just curl your hand around behind it.
No.
It's cold, mate.
Alright. See that beautiful
But it's got a
speaker?
wire down there. What if happens I put this on the wire?
What wire?
Do it and see what happens.
No.
What wire? What are you
got a-
Fine wire, just don't touch the little fine wire.
Yeah, just...
It's got one fine wire on each of them.
That's right, just be careful.
Give me a look.
Because you break those fine wires, you might as well just put it in the bin with another one. The radio, I mean. You've got to take all my parts out then.
I'll send you some from Bradshaw.
Should be able to get in there quickly and solder it without hurting it.
Here you go. You do it, man.
No, I don't want to take it out.
No. Just do it.
Just, come on.
Just do it.
Don't chuck the towel in.
It's too precarious
No, it's not.
with the wire there.
Fine.
Just don't touch the wire.
Well, that's what I mean. It's precarious. take a sip.
Will do. There you go.
Thanks, champ.
Champ.
Were you expecting something else?
The champ's a bit condescending, isn't it?
All right, Eon, settle down.
A champion is okay.
You're a champ.
I've been over this.
Okay, so this guy is brown, green, yellow. Is this guy here? Or is it one of these guys?
Which one's what?
Who went
Oh,
what?
no, it's the same as this guy. It's this big fat one, yeah?
Yeah.
This is him?
15k, yes.
So brown,
Brown, yellow, green.
brown, green, orange.
But I think...
And because we're going to take this guy out, I can just take off all this stuff, yeah?
Yeah, you can. And the one that's going to go there is a 0.1400, which is... where'd it go? Another one of those. Oh, everything's here.
How do I start a Q&A? I saw that before. It's a new feature. Start a Q&A.
Oh, well, if you'd done one of those, I thought I had enough. There we go.
How does that work? Ah! don't know how start Q&A works. Doesn't seem to work.
That's the one that's going to replace that long one.
Oh God, it's so tiny.
Yeah. Now, is there an earth? Well, there's an earth. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, that's not an earth. That's an earth. That's not an earth. This is.
Is it going to fit?
Yeah.
Like lengthwise?
What you probably need to do is see this point here. That's an earth point.
Mm.
You could have it attached to that.
That's not going to fit either. His legs aren't long enough.
Yes, it is.
Put this one over here so it picks up in better. There you go.
Let's get the kinks out of him.
Kinky.
I don't think his legs are long enough.
How come they're all how come all the components are male?
Because they're a pain in the ass.
Okay. Look at that. You reckon it's not going to fit? Of course it is.
Okay, all right.
You have to have it more downward.
It's got to spread the legs further. make it fit.
Jesus, that's what she said.
Oh mercy! Ow! Did you burn yourself?
Yeah, she's hot.
298 degrees. Yeah. So what would you say they use 50-50 soldering the old stuff?
Yeah.
And it's a shit flow.
Yep. 6040's got the edge because it's got.
Is this not still on?
60%, sorry?
Is this guy still on?
Oh, hang on.
Oh, is it gone into sleep mode? Ah, sleep mode. He's got the Intelli heat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, that's sensor temp.
Sensor temp, yeah.
Right.
But it's got a. I think it's about. A couple of 2 or 3 minutes or something. It goes back into.
Of inactivity.
Yeah.
So does it just monitor the temperature, and if the temperature doesn't vary, then it puts it into sleep mode?
Yeah.
Whereas Intelli Heat's actually got a sensor,
Yeah.
and it knows when it's in the holster.
Yeah.
Or the, what do you call it? The cubby.
The cubby. Yeah.
In the cubby house.
Are we replacing this guy down here as well?
Which one's that? Yes.
That was marked on the schematic.
See if you can find that one.
See if I can find that one. Or that one, that's right there.
Is that the one?
That's the one.
What's the value of that one?
We used him yesterday.
Brownies.
I want to say like
That's a blue.
that one.
seven.
That's a blue.
Seven.
You called that a blue.
I know.
I was looking at
I did call him blue. I think it was a 750.
Are you colourblind?
No. No.
Blue. 47k.
Yeah.
Hey!
Red.
Yeah.
That actually identifies which ones.
I coloured them.
Oh, blue.
Blue.
Because the body's blue.
Because the body's blue.
The one there, look. The one up there.
Blue. Yeah.
Blue.
This one
So-
here. I'm not sure what that one is.
Well, she doesn't know until we tell her. So
I told her the value. She said, I
So,
just called the body.
the colour of
The
it,
body colour.
that basically determines the composition. So that's metal film
Yeah.
in quarter watt. Although it doesn't make a lot of sense because that's metal film as well, but that's 2 watt. And then that one's metal film as well, different colour, but that's 1 watt. So depends on the manufacturer. So yeah, sometimes
If
you
anything,
still can't be 100% sure.
When we eventually put power to it, we'll see what the dissipation is across. If it's too hot to touch,
Yep.
it may increase the size of it.
Some like it hot. Oh no, copyright strike. I'm so good at singing. So why are the IF transformers so hard to get?
Just that particular little one in the Fleetwood.
Little wax potted things.
Yeah, they ship off to the
Surely there's someone out there making them.
No.
Some little weirdo in a garage like you. Some little hobbit.
I don't make those sort of things.
Maybe you could
I'll
be
make
that
sort of
hobbit.
things.
You just need some Litz wire and away you go.
I'll make those sort of things.
Oh yeah.
Come on, you little.
Here's Dad's protection circuit. He just knocked up recently.
2 of them are in service now.
It's got a massive ground plane.
Didn't need it, but just saved ferrochloride.
True. Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean, the less shit ends up in it, the more you can reuse it, eh?
Yes. How you going there, Shamel?
Yeah, I'm great, Web.
Good.
Web.
Maybe I'll snip
It
that.
needs a bit of suction, bro.
I'm just going to snip it and then I'll pull it.
To order with this 50/50, you get the iron underneath it and you heat it.
I know, I was doing it
It
before.
falls onto the iron and you drag it away and you
Oh,
just
yeah.
tap it off.
Yep.
And that saves clogging up the desoldering.
Yeah, fair enough.
There's so much of it.
I know, I was doing it before.
You've really got to get under it and pull the end. You won't really successfully take it upwards away from the connection.
I don't know about this tapping the iron on the desk.
I'm
though.
not, bro.
No.
Just go like this. Look. You just give it a whip.
Yeah, and then,
Downwards
then it
only.
will be in my face.
No, downwards only.
Then it splashes on there and it gets me with my thongs.
Oh, does it? Yeah, it's like the time I welded in songs. I won't do that again. Jesus. Or the time I was grinding in a big hoodie. And I had the 9-inch grinder. I think they're fucking illegal now, apparently, on work sites.
Oh, it might be.
Yeah. So, yeah, because an oxy is so much safer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's tradies, real tradesmen have been using them for hundreds of years.
Well, I know the one that we took the guard off's illegal, but yeah, I was using the 9-inch to cut a big I-beam, and it was about 300 mil by 150 or something crazy. It was a big bastard, and they were making a press to press up veneer, so like they had to be rigid as possible because like 0.5 mil difference meant you sanded through the veneer, right?
Yeah.
So we were making this press out of like these I-beams. And I think you even got one edge like ground, precision ground, so it was flat as fuck. But here's me grinding away, and I'm like, something's burning, and I'm looking around because I'm thinking, shit, no, I swept up beforehand. So, because, you know, if there's ever like sawdust and you're grinding, obviously you've got to sweep that shit up. But now I felt a bit of warmth. I looked down, my fucking jumper's on fire.
Whoops. A bit like if you're actually cutting.
Yeah.
And you got to make sure you got boots and gaiters and that, because otherwise you end up with a boot full of bloody.
Yeah, you need leather for that shit.
Yeah.
Come on, you asshole.
9 inches are illegal in New Zealand. I think we imported that rule from you guys. Bugger. Michelle focused on task, Brad letting the professional work. That's right. I feel like it's too quiet.
It's a add a bit of salt. It may help it flow. So if you can't get it off in the other way, and first like you have it, just close it up. Is it blocked? Yep.
She's blocked. He's a blocked.
The 50/50 please have it with it.
50-50 solder sucks. Why do you reckon they made it like that?
That's was what they did all the
It's just the standard.
Yeah.
Oh, can't get him.
And then we get wires.
I've been trying to talk Lyle into getting a solder extractor of some sort, like a Hakko or something.
Yeah.
But he's seen the amount of times that I have to unblock it, and he's like, "No, fuck that." I said, "Yeah, but I do make a big deal out of it because I'm a dickhead."
Oh yeah.
But it's not that bad.
I guarantee I'm glad I had that. Well, I bought this unit way back when I had my business going back in
Yeah.
95 or it would have been 90 even, 89.
I was spoiled with that thing. I've been using that thing since I was a friggin' 6-year-old there.
Well, I had the one like yours. It was even more primitive than the one you've got.
Oh, yeah?
And that was only had a vane pump. It didn't have a diaphragm pump.
All right.
And that worked well for a lot of time, but then as I got more heavily into replacing surface mount tips and so on, I needed this thing.
Yes?
Can I like push this to stand up a bit to get him out of there?
Be careful because they would snap off. They're real thin. See how thin they are?
Mm.
What you want to do there is go like this, heat it up, right? Go get the iron and turn it sort of perpendicular.
Well, you know what I do? I just cut the lead off first.
No. Oh, you're throwing it out?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay, right.
That's
but if just for argument's sake, say you're not, heat up the... Watch your barrel, don't touch the...
I know.
You're a bit close to the...
and just bend it around like that. So now, if you swing it out of the way, you've got somewhere to go. You're held captive by that wire, so now you just got to unsolder the chassis connection.
Okay, let's put this guy.
Brad, is the Marshall Silver Jubilee 20 watt head any better or worse than the DSL 20 head? Ooh, the 20 watt, the build quality is definitely better, but I can't remember if Marshall make it one of those crippled
my
ass
knife.
20 watters. I'd probably stay away from all the 20 watt Marshalls AP because they run them at shitty voltages and they run them at like 30% dissipation in cathode bias, which is ridiculous, and they sound like arse as a result. Yeah, the DSL 20 head is ridiculous. It's the stupidest design. Well, the preamp sounds okay, but the power amp's just they're running like 250 volts on the plates or something, and it's sitting at like 20% dissipation, 30% dissipation as a friggin' cathode biased amp. Ridiculous, stupid. So of course it's crossover distortion city, but the Silver Jubilees, they're so different that they appear to be actually built by a different company
It's
almost.
going to be going over this.
I don't know. Do you want to?
Yeah, I think you better.
But I know the 2550 watt is really good. Just put it in situ and then cut your bit of thing to length when you can see how long it's got to be.
Yeah, I know whether you saw me doing that yesterday. You poke it, slide it over the wire, to, the component lead, and then just pull it back about 5 mil, and then just cut it off where you can see the end of the wire.
Is that 5 mil?
Yeah.
Thereabouts,
Like, I don't know.
Let's get her a ruler, eh?
This one.
No, I'm totally fine.
There you go. We're just
So
talking rough.
Inches and
You don't have to measure it.
I
But,
don't deal in inches.
well, there you go.
well, I don't know about that. Okay, I'll shut up. I'll go away. I'll go away.
Taking it and dealing are different things.
You're making me blush.
Maybe
Stop
I
it.
won't be invited back to this channel
I'm
anymore.
gonna have to change the white balance because I'm blushing.
Put it on yourself.
You know I'm not that wife that just goes, oh.
That's what happens when you bring a girl home from Cranebrook.
Man, I was in Magewell when you met me.
Same shit, just
No.
different side of the highway. Same distance from the highway, different side. Wrong side of the tracks. It's kind of like that in Penrith, isn't it? If you're from that side of the tracks, everything's up to shit. Been playing my PRS HB2 piezo directly through my 71 basement head and it sounds fantastic. 71 basement, nice. I have been searching locally for...
You winning?
I have been looking locally for a nice basement. I was thinking about getting a basement 70 because you can get them pretty cheap. And it's already got the master volume hole, which is handy because I would want to put a master volume in one. I'll keep an eye out. If I find one under a green, I might jump on it. Not jump on it because that'd maybe break it, but you know what I mean.
You'll just slip off, you break your ankle.
I'm so funny. I put some JCM 2000 DSL 50 info from one I worked on into your Discord, Brad, if you're quiet one day for a look. Okay, thanks, mate. I'll check that out. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of people in the States demanding that I send them a board, and it's like, dude, I just can't. Like, I haven't got the system for it, and if the tariffs worked in the US like they work in every other country in the fucking planet, where the person who imports, i.e. the customer, pays the tariff, it wouldn't be an issue. But because the government's trying to hide the fact that the tariff's being charged to the customer, they're trying to make the suppliers look like the bad guys by making us charge it and lift our pricing. Oh, you greedy guys lifting your pricing. It's like, it's not my fucking fault you dickheads put a tariff on shit and then all these arbitrary fees that you just randomly choose. It's like they've got a dartboard. Oh, you're paying $300 fee. Oh, you're paying $50 fee. You're paying $120 fee. From everyone I know that's been persisting with shipping stuff over to the States, it's been a fucking nightmare. Shit goes missing. They just destroy packages for no reason or just return to sender with no explanation. How the fuck are you supposed to deal with that?
This guy here, no.
Yes.
This one here is this guy there, isn't it?
Yes, that's it. That's 47k.
That's a 1 watt, right?
Yeah. That's all right. I'll give it a little one.
No, that's a 1. Well, the one you've given is a 1 watt.
Yeah, it is.
So I need to get in and get him out of there.
And these are 2 watters.
And get him out of there. Or should I do this one first? Let's just do this one first.
Yeah, these are only little low voltage ones. I wouldn't have one of those.
Yeah, the one she's got is one of the V-shays.
Yeah.
I think that's some of the stash that I left here from last year.
Actually, what I did, hold off on that one. I'll give you this one. And I'll give you a blue one.
Richard, you got that head for $600. What a buy, man. That's awesome.
Here's the blue one.
Providing it didn't need too much work, that's a great find.
You got that? So, Mr. Blue.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, so we've got rid of him, and then we're going to put this guy now instead, and he's going to go from here to here.
Hey, Wes, how you going?
The phone?
No.
Happy New Year,
So
brother.
this guy with the funky pants, he's going to go from
There to there.
So from in here.
Probably easier to stick it on the. You hold it with the pliers. And hold it like that. Oops.
Yeah, preaching to the choir, AP.
Yeah, hang on. I'm trying to do it from over here. Put it under there like that. And then you can actually get it up through there. I'm trying to do it. There you go. Like that. And get that one tacked in position first. You might have to hold it back in there. I'll hold my finger there. How's that?
That'd be great.
That big tip still freaks me out. I'm so used to seeing a 1.6 on everything I do, but that is actually really handy for the chassis tabs.
Chassis tabs, yes.
Just got enough thermal capacity for that.
Working on these things, that's the only tip
all you use.
bother using.
Yeah, right.
You can actually do a chassis connection direct to the chassis. If it's depending on the size, the thickness of the metal.
And
most of these metals, they're not 16 gauge, they're probably about 18 or maybe even 20 gauge.
I just need to push him down into
Are
there.
you going to pass it through that? Oh, it's going down to the ground.
To him.
Oh, okay. You might need to get a little bit more relief on that right hand lead.
Yeah.
What?
Just heat it up a bit and slide it through a bit back.
What? This one?
Yeah. See how it's poking through? Is that the one there?
Yep.
That's the lead, yeah. Just grab the tweezers,
Unless
right?
you need it, just chop it off.
No,
Oh, no.
well, we need a bit
You
more
need
length.
it, okay.
Yeah.
Right. It's only a radio, mate. It's not a fucking guitar.
Well, you know, it's sort of, you get these habits and you just do it on everything, you know?
Well,
It's good.
you've looked in my amplifiers, do I use those habits here and that?
Which ones?
My 120 watt.
I haven't opened it yet. I can't remember what it looks
like. Years ago.
Yeah, but I can't remember what it looks like.
You don't remember anything, do you?
Well, I've looked at about, I don't know how many amps since I last looked inside that thing. May not be a gynecologist, but I'll take a look at it for
you. That's all right. That was considering it started off as a 2203, just a basic 2203.
Yeah.
Now it's a bloody.
Oh, she was a beast when. Yeah, I used to take that thing to school in a chipboard cabinet, and everyone's like, "What the fuck is
I
that?"
think you took that one to school.
Yeah, once or twice, yeah, to high school. Yeah, teachers are like, "What's that?" I go, "It's a Marshall JCM 800, basically," and they're like, "What the fuck?" Everyone's playing through like Roland blues cubes and stuff, and then I rock up with that thing and the speaker cabinet, and everyone's like, "Holy shit!" Then I got the Fender 75, and that was my main amp for a decade.
I got that when I was at Epsom from Tony Montalbano.
Yeah, I remember the name, yeah. So I restored that and sold it to a good customer of mine, a regular, and he's still got it, still uses it pretty much every day, he reckons.
It's still a beast.
Yeah. I kept it on purpose because that was basically the amp that I taught myself how to work on amps with, and I swore to myself that I wouldn't get rid of it until I figured it out and restored it and figured out the problems with it. Yeah. And by the time I was ready to restore it, I knew enough to be able to do a couple of upgrades and modifications to the voicing and stuff as well, so It ended up being a real good country amp because it has a lot of headroom, but when it broke up, it broke up pretty nice. Richard, did my 4x12 ship yet? No, I told the seller to just hold off until, well, probably next week, maybe? Because no rush. It'll get here when it gets here, but I just wanted to avoid the Christmas backlog, and he was happy to do that. In fact, he said, yeah, I'm happy you said that because I was thinking about suggesting it. So yeah, we'll just probably ship it mid-Jan. Just make sure it gets here safely. God, I hope it gets here safely. Yeah. My neighbour gave me his old Echo thing, but it's missing parts, so I don't know what to do with it. Shane, is that one of those EK... I know you've written it EKCO, but is that one of those EKO amps? It's like a Swedish version of Fenders. They're basically Fender rip-offs from Sweden. If so, hang on to it, because I think from memory they're really good. Just watch that lead there, babe. Don't melt it. Because every wire that you melt means you've got to run another wire. Or cut it and put heat shrink on it.
Someone else has to run a wire, yeah.
No, you find that fun too.
You break it, you fix it.
You break it, you bought it.
Bro.
Yeah, it's a nice little radio, little HMV. That'll be on our mantelpiece, if you had one, on her office desk. And we'll get her a transmitter so she can listen to the radio on it if she wants to. So she can listen to Pearl Jam.
I think I've sold a couple of those little things here.
Oh yeah? Oh, did you?
I do listen to more than just Pearl Jam.
Well,
It's a lot of Pearl Jam.
yeah, you listen to Green River as well.
No, not really.
And Mother Love Bone.
Mother Love Bone.
And no, I meant to blank.
Let's get rid of you.
What's the other side project they had? I can't remember.
Temple of the Dog?
No, the other one. Not Temple of the Dog. The one with Lane Staley.
Mad Season?
Sorry?
Mad Season?
Mad Season, that's it, yeah. Is the shop soundproof? Can you turn the amp up for the 4x12? You're going to crank it up, wake up the kangaroos. Yeah, I can crank up whatever I want, partially because the landlord in the office upstairs is a builder, so he's always on site. And then there's a stairwell and sort of an airlocky thing separating us and the shop next door, which is the aircon place, but they're rockers anyway, so they love hearing it. Whenever I crank it up, they come over and go, woo! And most of the time when I'm testing, it's after hours anyway, just because, I don't know, it just happens that day. You work on an amp all day and then you test it after hours, because usually by the time you finish working on it, it's 5, 6 p.m. And the air conditioning shop next door goes home at 4:30 anyway, so pretty much no one around to hear it, even during open hours. But what I'm going to do for that one is play it in the car park. That's going to be fun. Riot Act was the last good Pearl Jam album. Downhill after that. What do you reckon, babe?
Get out of town.
Get out of town.
Yeah, I got another wire, and I think this is all connected somehow. What am I doing, B-Web?
Oh, it's a British thing. Live chassis missing the knobs. Okay, yeah. So that's a radio. What are you doing?
So I need to undo this guy, but he's connected. I think he's all the way through. Is he really that long, or is he just connected to other?
See that thin wire there? That's another one going to this scary transformer that you don't want to fuck with. Ain't nothing to fuck with. So what you want to do is add a little bit of fresh solder onto it. She's probably got a bit of a kick in it. So I'll heat it up from the back side. Don't grab my backside while I'm soldering. While I'm soldering. Oh, okay, yeah, so that is a big long lead. So what we want to do is, it would be great if we had some wick right now.
Over there,
Have ya?
bro.
Oh, just get the excess solder off.
Watch out for that wire if you fuck it.
I know.
Look there.
Yeah, that solder is shit, isn't it? The stuff that's in there. So that's a connection to the capacitor, the variable capacitor. So we'll cut that off, but give it a bit of length so we can fold that wire over and reuse it as a bus wire that it's already there. Oop. These smooth nose pliers slip off the leads.
Oh, where's this one?
That's alright. Now I'm aware of it. It's fine.
Use that one.
No, I don't want to use that one. Stop pushing your pliers on me, mate.
Where was this big pants guy going?
Big pants guy.
Is this guy for him?
Wasn't there a big fuck off film cap over there? Yeah, the one you removed. This.
No, we put him in there.
This bastard.
No, we put him in there.
Oh,
Is this guy going here?
That's you can place that one. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
right.
Okay, so this guy's going
That's a 600 volter.
from here.
You might want to go under. Yeah, go under there, but you might need some insulation again because you've got stuff crossing over other stuff.
There's the thicker one if you want it. I don't think you need it for that one. Just use the little one if you can get away with it. Another roll of have you got any braid over in solder wick?
We haven't got any braid, no. No wick Brady Wiki braid. You've got that small blue one there. Did you have a big one?
Yeah, I had one like that, but it's about
The wider stuff?
nearly 4 mil.
Oh, I did see that somewhere. I thought maybe I'm just dreaming though. Is it back here? No.
Yeah, the small ones, there's a big one.
Oh, you wouldn't have it in a drawer, would you?
I don't do it. Could be though. I don't forget it.
Oh, I just broke something. I broke my beer.
You broken it?
It's broken.
You want it,
Maybe I should shorten these leads actually.
Needs fixing.
shorten those leads up.
Yeah, because he's going from there to there.
Yeah. Where's he going to?
To there. Which toes?
Yeah, well, you probably need to shorten it.
Yeah.
You just take it off either end, well, both ends, so that it's symmetrical.
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical. Where's my bloody thread gone?
Better symmetrical.
No. Is Tell everyone your plover joke?
Plover joke? No, I gotta cue it up proper. I gotta keep it under my belt. Can't just be throwing half-baked jokes out there. They've got to be fully formed.
Pretty sure that's what they come for, babes.
My half-baked jokes? No, they come from my fully formed jokes, mate.
Should this guy be standing up here?
You could lay it down, but again, you can't have it touching those other leads, right? So, where's it going to? Over here?
Yeah.
Right,
So should he stand up?
have you already folded the lead over the other side?
I have.
All right.
I'm going to put the shielding back on in a second.
Just move it back. Hang on. So if we pass it under,
Got to put the shield back on.
it's insulation. Shield is different. I know, it's complex. So we want to cut it off where the kink was.
Well, yeah, because I cut it and then we realised I need to shorten it.
Sometimes get it around the bend a bit. Other times it
Hang around the bend.
tries to dig in.
Man of the Hour was the last good Pearl Jam song. It's the
Really?
nail in the coffin. Look, Man of the Hour is a good song.
Sometimes you can just hold it there and then grab it where you want to solder it. And then you know how long you need to cut the stuff to.
But I feel like, yeah, I've got another piece over here, bro.
Yeah. Okay, bro.
But I feel like you didn't go all the way to here, did you?
Nah, I don't have to.
Okay. Showing off.
Man of the hour. I'm trying to remember what that is.
Man of the Hour is taken His final breath. His final step. His final bow.
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 Sorry, if I can just flux that up again.
Alright, there you go.
So we can lay on those pinpoints?
I haven't passed it through, just pass it through and just get rid of the excess of that lead. I'll just pass that through. Just pass them through, you know?
No, stop talking about poo.
What? I'm not talking about food, I'm talking about travelling. Just passing through, like passing through town. I'm talking about bowel movements. Mercy.
Oh, we need to trim him too.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, what have you done? So, my fingers are too fat. Ah!
So, you're into overtime now.
You're going to have to start paying us time and a half at least.
So is this, does it have to like, fuck you little bastard, get back in there.
That's my girl.
Didn't learn enough from me.
So does he need to like stand up like this? Or can he rest on those pinpoint things?
No, you need to
Just
get
pass it through the eye like before.
Yeah, I've done that. On the other end, does it need to stand up like a right angle?
I'd raise it up from the... Just solder this in first
Yeah,
and
just
bend
solder.
up a bit.
Okay.
I'll hold it for you while you solder
You
it.
again.
Well, you stood there yesterday when I did
got
it.
burnt.
Oh, piss off, you did.
Hit me.
You're such a little crybaby.
As long as you don't burn that coil.
You bend that cord, you're gone.
She's unobtainium. How's that looking?
Especially considering
A bit more solder.
it's round out of waxed very fine lips or whatever.
Yeah. Right. And Luke pulled its pants down.
Well, soon of it.
Daxed him. So yes, I need to right angle him.
Go like this. Just put a bit of a bend like that, and then bend it back like that. See that? She's a little foot. And then when you solder that, I'll just give it a bit less. There we go. And then when you solder that, we can bend the thing up. Just form it up a bit. Now you're gonna have to, yeah. What I might do, hang on. Might just bend that down a bit. Just get it sort of where you need it to be. And if we hold that there and bend it up a little, now it's going to spring back. Yep, there you go. Watch that wire. Almost melted the solder with the barrel of the soldering iron. Need a bit more heat into it. More solder. Get a good flow on it. You don't want it looking crusty. There you go. Look at that. Burn the tip.
Alright, we've got another one of these.
Alright, where does that go?
I don't know.
I don't know. I didn't take it out. We've only got one of them. So we've only taken one of them out. So did we just grab two by accident?
Maybe Pueb did.
There's another
47.
Oh, 47.
Yeah.
I can't see it from here. What is it?
Well, yeah,
Orange,
that's
yeah.
that one there, yeah. We got that blue one.
Yeah, we had one, so whether we got two out unnecessarily, but that's totally fine.
There's also one on... Yeah. It's going between pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You might need a bit more solder on this one, do you think?
More solder. Did you pass that through the eye?
Yeah, over here.
No, over here.
There was no eye.
Oh, there's no eye there. Oh, it's just a tab, is it? Ah. That one's got an eye.
And if you need more on there as well.
Yeah, so you got a big blob next to it.
It's a
Need to
bit
clean
sketchy,
all
that one.
get rid of it.
I think it's too sketchy, that one.
The blob's just falling down onto the chassis.
Alright, you can do that. Do I need more on this guy?
No, that should be right.
So I need to get this guy
It's not
off.
like we're taking it on the road. We're not touring with it.
That's where you put this file.
This guy is here.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go from this side and try and jiggle him.
Put that one back in there. Still.
Stream analytics. Yeah, you're holding steady at 29 viewers. 136 views. Chat rate 0 chats per minute. Come on, guys. What did you all do for New Year's Eve? Stay at home and tinkle with shit? Like the nerds that we are.
We played music and you played
Played
guitar.
music, I played, tried to play guitar.
I danced to Spice Girls.
You danced to Spice Girls. Oh no, I did
looked at
dance
you, yeah.
to Spice Girls, yeah. Spice up your life. Who was it that played the Sydney, which Spice was it?
Well, does she look sporty, or does she look babyish, or poshy, or scary?
Just looked like a middle-aged woman.
In tracksuit pants.
Okay, is that
Sporty Spice?
I don't know. Sporty Spice. Yeah, so Sporty Spice played Sydney, well, I don't know what it was. Was
So
that
ca-
at the Domain?
No, it was just like the ABC New Year's Eve thing.
Oh,
Where it was.
So can I bend his legs?
And his music right.
yeah.
You need to keep them probably reasonably short. You don't want to leave them long like that.
No. So should I like chop him from about there and then bend him?
Well, let's see where you're going to go, how you're going to lay it out.
Well, I reckon if I bend him there, no one can see what I'm talking about because my hands are in the way.
Camera Kung Fu.
Like if I bend him there,
Oh, that was the tone cap.
I think I would go this way.
Just bloody leave that one out for now.
You can put that one to there, and
Does
this
it
one
even-
come back down to it.
It doesn't even need to be high voltage.
Well, it does. It's on the plate of the upper part.
No, it's not. It's on the control grid.
What's it?
It should be. It's going from the control grid, literally from the control grid to ground.
Okay, I'm looking at the other one. Sorry,
Yeah, that's the tone cap.
yeah.
So you can put a 100 volt in there or 50 volt or whatever.
I'll give you a tone cap.
Good.
Yeah,
What a
I
tone
think
cap.
I think we decided to leave that one in there.
No, you didn't.
No, the other one on the other side of the board, down here.
You can just leave that one out for now. We'll put it in later.
Yeah.
I've got some little 100 volt Panasonics that'll fit nicely.
Okay.
You got some schmoo on you. It's still full of schmoo.
So-
We haven't cleaned off all the dust and stuff.
So I need
yet.
to like just tidy that up a little bit there, do you think? And we can do that whenever there?
Yeah. Get it so it looks like a nice smooth fillet.
A fish.
Fillet of fish. Is there such thing as a good fillet of fish? Last time I tried eating one, it was like a fucking...
Yeah, Mum likes a fillet of fish. You should ask her.
It's like...
We had fillets of fish last night.
Well, yeah, but that was real fish. I'm talking filet-o fish, they call it over in
So
the
what am I
States.
doing over here?
I don't know. You tell me.
You tell me you sent something
I'll
before.
just clean up the excess solder, see how it's dripped down.
Oh, I couldn't see that
Yeah,
before.
get the desolderer. Desolderer. Little trick. If
To
it,
check that it's clear for this.
that it's not blocked,
Have a listen to
press the button.
it. Can you hear it?
Hold
I
it
don't
up
know what
near
I'm
the
trying
mic.
to hear.
Yeah, it's got flow. It's good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can you hear
that
it?
noise. Mm-hmm. Richard had fondue, lobster, and stuffed clams. Oh, nice. Watched a couple of broadcasts. Nashville New Year's Eve show was excellent, highlighted by Dwight Yoakam. Man, I remember listening to Dwight Yoakam back in the day. He's still kicking around. Oh, he must be a pretty old bastard by now.
Quick play a fair bit of him, actually.
Yeah, I used to like him. There was Slim Dusty, there was John Williamson, there was Lee Koenig and Dwight Yoakam. Were the main ones I listened to as a kid because I got into country music. first. Or second.
Can you like get in there? It's a bit sketchy for me to
Sketchy?
to
Why?
do that. 'Cause I'm not comfortable.
You're not comfy? I'll just get rid of a bit more of that solder because there's still some stuff underneath. If you want extra heat capacity, use 2 irons at once.
Oh yeah, your dad did do that yesterday.
Give it a wiggle. There we go. So see how the lead's popping up in midair? It's a bit tricky. Tricky! But you lift up the cap and push that lead down beyond where it needs to be and then push the cap back down. It'll sort of stay there.
Sure.
See that? Mm-hmm. So you're sort of introducing a bit of spring back, a bit of preload in that lead. And when you dump a bunch of heat into it, you don't have to have another arm free to hold it. Now, because we've spent a while on that join, now all the flux has gone a bit funky and brown and black. Probably don't stress about that now, but later on you can clean that up with a bit of alcohol.
Alright, so if we're not putting these pants in, Pleb,
Pardon?
If we're not putting the pants in,
Okay.
it's pretty much done. So this big naked 2K
You
here.
can't do much of that.
We don't have a 2K here, that capacity.
No.
It's still testing 2K, but it's lost its insulation. So, it feels nice to rub though.
oh stop.
So, we'll have to put one of them in. That's only a 5. Is that? I think that's a 7 water, isn't it?
What?
That must be a 7 water. Or a 10 water.
Do you have them at the shop?
I don't think it's a 5. I've got them at the shop, yeah. But it's still measuring fine, so we can test it now, but that's got high voltage on it, so...
High voltage. When we touch and when we
Or does it?
kiss.
No, it doesn't actually. No, it's just a ground lift. So it's only got about 15 volts-ish on it. Right, so that's...
Pretty much, we're just going to check out what you've done and then maybe do a bit of quite a lot of cleaning up around the sockets before you can put power to it.
This guy fine?
Yeah, leave that one there. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who wants to check my work?
And then right.
Oh, you...
Yeah, I'll do that.
I don't know fuck all about radios. You bumped this one though. See that?
No.
See what we were just talking about before?
No.
So having the insulation on there means when you're working on something else and you inadvertently bump it, it's not going to short out. But I think that might be a bit too tall. Might have to redo that one. We'll see how it fits into the cab.
Okay.
So Mel C is Sporty Spice, is she?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't know.
Who is Victoria Beckham? What spice was she?
What's the 4?
So there's Sporty Spice, Baby Spice, Scary Spice, Posh Spice. Was she Ginger
She was
Spice?
posh.
What was Ginger? Was Jerry Ginger Spice?
Jerry was, yeah. Jerry Halliwell. I
Yeah.
remember her.
What about Emma Bunting?
Scary?
No.
Why scary?
Mel B.
Why's
Because she
she
had
scary?
like an afro, I guess, and always wore
What,
animal
because she's
print.
black?
And
Fucking
always wore
racist
animal
as
print.
fuck.
I wore animal print.
No. Scary.
Anyway, Max Power
Posh,
was
yeah,
beat you.
posh,
She was
yeah.
posh.
I knew that
correct.
because of Beckham.
You only knew that when I listed them, so no,
Are they
you
still
didn't know
together?
that. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Good for them.
Yeah, follow her.
Do you?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
When she's out walking.
With a camera. You're the paparazzi. I follow her. Literally. Not on socials. IRL, bro. I'm living. I'm touching grass. I was talking.
Alright, you are not Gen Z.
Touching grass? What is that, a Gen Z?
It's like a new kid saying, oh my,
Are you alright?
sat for too long.
Sat for too long, you old bastard.
Alright, Preppy.
What are you taking it off? Are you tired of it now?
Oh no, as he's going to critique
No, I don't want the bloody thing.
critique my work.
I might just go have a piss again.
Oh, you could do that. Oh, hang on, it's not fully.
I don't care.
But everyone wants to hear you critique my
No, they
work.
don't.
Yes, they do.
I'm a cranky old bastard.
Shut up. I'm doing your job.
Oh well.
No, well, she's been doing a good job. She's
Yeah.
taken taken a lot of shit that we put on it, so I have. So,
That's the
don't need a
apprentice
chair.
job.
I don't sit down to do this sort of stuff.
well, the bench is your work height.
Yeah, but don't like that one up there. You can lay down like that.
Oh, lay it down. Yeah.
Well, it's going to be close.
Be pretty close, eh? I was just saying that before.
Yeah.
I was just saying that, wasn't I? Did a lead forming.
It's okay. Put it in there so it doesn't vibrate.
Teflon's good shit, eh?
It is. And that one we can actually put down there like that for the moment.
Max Powers. My God, I've just pulled out Spice Girls knowledge in public.
It's okay.
It's good, mate. You get good at trivia.
Well, that's where the pans will
Yeah,
go.
that one goes there.
You
And
don't
there.
even have to worry about that because that's just the tone control.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh, no. We've got
That's all right.
beer wax.
That's okay. It's a little tag.
Oh, yeah.
It's a bit...
Oh, it's close, isn't it?
yeah, that's all right. Just
Watch
go like
that,
that.
watch that little wire under it.
Yep. Just go like that.
Max Powers
Did the right
to
way around?
Major
That's right. Emma
Tom.
Bunting was being
Actually, that's us about.
What is cap?
Yep.
That's
That's ground there.
No, that's
That's where
right.
it came
No, that's...
from.
Oh, hang on, that's the
That's
center.
center tap. Yeah, no, that's right. Yeah. So that's
okay,
the mechanism to lift
okay. Yeah, I know that.
the ground of the HT to create the bias, basically. Yeah, to create the bias. It's a weird setup. I've never seen that before, but I've never worked on radios
Okay.
before, so you know. So yeah, it's like a 2K to the center tap, and the ground of the reservoir cap is grounded to the center tap side, which is here, and that 2K has the effect of lifting the ground.
No, it's okay. It's just
Sorry, making. Yeah, so the audio ground is lifted by a 50 ohm resistor, and that goes to. That's the. Sorry, I'm following the schematic on another page, champions. Here's the schematic. So the center tap via the 2K resistor. That's your ground reference for the grid, the output valve. Sorry.
Yeah. It's definitely the center tap. I'll put a 7461. Yeah, 463. Okay, so that is definitely negative here. Okay.
But notice here you got 50 ohm to the
Yeah.
actual ground,
Yeah.
and then your rest of your nodes are to the actual ground. So that is essentially biasing the output stage.
Oh, the other thing we're going to do is just got to go back on. Seeing we didn't have a leg on this side as well, that's broken off from there.
That's the tuning cap.
Yeah, so that goes like that. Goes like that.
Where's that little fucker? Is that attached to the padding cap?
To the ground and to the... I might do that soon.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
TC2.
that's inside of my technical realm.
Is that TC2?
This is the...
Part of the oscillator.
no, not the oscillator. The...
Oh, TC1. No. What?
I think I need to warm that up a bit.
Oh no, that's the tuning cap. That's the variable cap for the tuning. That's calibrating that TC1. What to say? Radios are new to me. I'd love to restore them, but there's just no fucking money in them.
No. I'm a pensioner. I can't afford it.
Mate, you just let me know if you need any parts. I'll send them your way. Don't worry about that. Costs $10 shipping, no matter what you need. But I'll cover that.
Back there.
There's a little plus do.
You ready with that? Straight to the chassis connection there.
Yep.
Just pull it back down again because it'll burn otherwise.
Man, they're weird little things, aren't they? You wouldn't even be able to buy them anymore. They'd all be new old stock.
What's that?
those little
Beehives?
tuning. Yeah.
Yeah, I used to have a lot of them. I used them on old radios.
Start a QA. I tried it and it's fucking stupid. It just goes back to the chat. Start a poll. You got to ask a question with choices. What question do you want?
Something about my soldering.
How was Michelle's
It's probably a little bit.
hang on.
Soldering.
Soldering.
I'll straighten it over a bit.
Yes or no? Great.
So
Put
music on.
her on the payroll. Average needs more work. Shit house. Put her out.
In the bin.
Be back on the chips fryer. Oh, it's got a containment between 1 and 35. Damn it.
Pretty good. That's enough. I'll get a tool on that.
There we go.
I didn't know I did soldering. And you just like
Soldering.
dribbled.
It bounced out of my can.
Dribbled.
Put her on the payroll, 100%. There you go.
That looks pretty good.
Next, how's Dad soldering? So, Jamie, it's just to keep you enthused. I just took I haven't taken it apart yet, but I just did a bunch of sound samples of one of Dad's Soldano inspired builds here, 100 watt head, and did a bunch of sound samples, run you through the functioning of the unit. It's got reverb and tremolo built in as well on a SLO 100, and actually all works in
Pretty good.
what am I trying to say? Works in harmony. And we've got an old Transfex Pro 212 over here from Transtube.
I feel like
So
I'm
that's
in the way of
that's a PV amp from back in the days when PV was woke. Anyway,
they can't see.
yeah. So it's just behind.
Yeah.
I'll be like the price is right.
This one back here, yeah, it's dark back there because the lights are up here.
But it actually works good.
But just a shitty old PV amp that we took the head out of, threw the head out, and it's just his test cabinet. So we run it through that, and actually sounds surprisingly good. And I'm gonna tear his amp apart and stick it to him.
Yeah, go for it.
And I'm short.
Yeah, I think I'm taller.
You are taller by about an inch.
Niche.
It's okay. I'm comfortable. I'm not looks maxing.
Just do a
There you
bit
go.
of
How's
cleanup.
that for a Gen X?
Do a bit of a cleanup.
Gen X?
Where's my
Gen
I was
Y?
going to get the Indian Pale Ale out.
Said
IPA.
Indian Pale Ale. So yeah, we're going to rip into Dad's amp, show you the guts.
Well, point to point. Oh, what? No, there's a circuit board for the Soldano area,
Yep.
but the rest of it's
Rest of it's all tag board.
yeah.
And might do some voicing mods, do some tweaking to it, and explain what I'm doing, because he does have a schematic of how it's currently built. We can have a bit of a play and
Yeah.
adjust the tonality as
See, I
such.
can't play it. Fucking useless.
Sounds good. It's just the overdrive's a little bit loose, but it's also all Soldanos are, in my opinion. I think we need to control the bass a bit more and boost the top end a little bit before the distortion. So let's do that and compare the results. It'll be great fun.
Fine.
But I recorded the sound samples pre any mods today. I was a bit of fucking around with the audio interfaces and stuff. Dad's got a a Scarlett Focusrite thing here, which worked fine. But yeah, I'll take it apart tomorrow and do a bit of footage. Just so I realised once I've finished the Rivera modded Vibrolux videos that I've got no more footage left from anything. So if I want to keep producing a bit of content to keep you guys entertained, I need to make some more. So we're going to vulture off Dad's build here, but they're pretty interesting, so I think you'll like that. Everyone seemed pretty keen to have a look in the guts of it. Major Tom, I used to restore old radios, but have since moved on, minus the occasional tough dog. Most of them just work and need a recap and resistors checked. Yeah, pretty much, man. It's pretty amazing how tough they are, eh? But that's what happens when things are built right, isn't it? And they're built for maintaining, so...
You know, they've been running for 60 years, 70 years.
70 years?
Yeah.
What, you started when you were...
No, I mean, the radios that we're talking about have only been working for about 60 years.
When did you first work on your first radio first?
I built my first valve power supply.
Yeah, I remember what you're talking about. That.
And it was I put it out in the middle of the yard.
Because you were scared of it.
Yeah, I
How about you
was.
go back and look at some footage you filmed about 3 years ago? And it was there.
We did talk about this right here in this very seat.
Where's the bloody ground?
But the channel's grown by about 3 times since then, so there's a lot of new people that wouldn't have seen that video. Champions New Year's Eve, normally I would release a video. I didn't even do it. I didn't even think about it this year, eh?
You didn't do it last year either.
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Did you?
I don't know, maybe I didn't.
You still haven't had to sit down with me and ask me about all about netball.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure no one will give a fuck though.
I'm pretty sure they will.
Do you guys care about netball?
No.
Yeah, see, max power is one microphone in first preamp stage. It's already got that. I assume you're talking about the bypass cap. 470 picofarad on V3B parallel to 100k resistor. Yeah, well, that's looking at the schematic. Literally, I said to Dad, and 2.7k. Remember, I said 2.7k on the preceding the cold clipper.
Yep.
And 0.48. That's a bit specific, mate. 0.47, I think you mean. V1B, job's done for the Soldering. Yeah, exactly what I was thinking of there, max powers. You bang on the money. That's exactly how I will get it into chug territory. That Vibrolux is going to take 10 videos. I'm hoping to get out of it in 4, Richard. And number 3 has already been edited, uploaded, and scheduled for delivery to you, legends, unless you're a member, in which case you can access it already. But
This has got an earth pin, but there's no ground wire.
what the fuck?
Yeah. I don't know what they come off. That's one I had in the drawer.
In the bin.
Yeah. Well, I'm just going to use the power.
Just test it, yeah. Just give it a lick. Oh, yeah. You know, you talk about ohm eyes.
Yeah.
What about ohm tongue?
Yeah, go for it. You're silly enough, go do it.
That bloody power supply, using my hoe tone, because I love the tone of a hoe.
Hoe tone.
This thing. That's what I've been played on the other day. I removed the stream because it was just fucking around playing guitar. But the power supply I used for that was causing issues with the USB. And it's a Daiichi.
Daiichi.
And it's a piece of shit. It's injecting so much noise into the unit that the USB wasn't working properly. I wasn't able to communicate for more than a second or so, so it wouldn't update firmware, wouldn't connect to the software. When I switched over to Dad's bench supply and just gave it 9 volts, everything worked beautifully except for the touchscreen. The touchscreen is permanently fucked, but that sucks. We have a 1956 Oldsmobile. You guys have inspired me to fix a tube radio in it. Oh, yeah. Where'd you pull that out of?
It was off this.
Ah. Yeah, it just turns hard as a rock, that solid, doesn't it?
It didn't even melt. It just went into a eutectic state and stayed there.
Yeah, sometimes I'm like that on the weekend.
Yeah. Same there. So we just block the iron. Block the socket.
That's mad. So, yeah, car valve radios have vibrators in them.
Yeah, I got vibrators here.
Have you? Have you got one?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. In your top drawer?
Yeah.
In the bedside table?
Well, you got to be careful with that.
Yeah, so basically they've got to create AC to be able to step up the voltage using a transformer. So instead of creating AC, they create pulsing DC, and that's good enough. And
No, what it basically is you've got a back to front transformer. Like your secondaries are all high voltage, but your primary is
low voltage.
You've got some of them have a dual pole vibrator.
Ooh.
So then you've got a centre tap and it goes either way. So you end up with almost a good square wave from both sides.
I reckon.
And what happens is that with the inductor to transformer tends to make them almost like sine waves. So they work very well. They always do.
I reckon a dual pole vibrator would have to be go both ways, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It wouldn't be able to just be one way.
I thought they'd have to have a bend in it though.
A bend just to hit the correct frequency.
Let's keep it clean here.
You know I talk shit.
Am I ever going to be asked to come back and feature on this channel again?
Well,
Only when you do a lot more soldering and changing components without assistance. That's it.
Do the same mod for a few of your DSL boards limited release.
yeah, I was going to do that Max Powers, but it's just all the momentum's fallen out of that project since the tariff bullshit, and it's not worth shipping them. So it's funny. There's a dickhead in the USA who was bad mouthing my boards. Baker's amps, purple ones, and he looks like he's just directly copied the layout. But a lot of marketing bullshit on his. Oh, we're fucking, I'm fucking radio, blah blah blah, engineered for 5,000 years, and fucking we use nothing but nude virgins to manufacture them.
That's your problem.
Yeah. But he started bad mouthing my boards, going, "Oh, Brad's not a PCB engineer, whereas I'm qualified. He's not, so he doesn't know what he's doing." It's like, okay, thanks, mate. Have you ever seen one of my boards, or tested it, or looked at it? And he didn't respond. So he's never even seen one, but he's just bad mouthing reflexively because he's a fuckwit that's trying to sell his boards and bad mouth everyone else without having any evidence. So fuck him.
Who are the 7% to put me in the chip fryer?
What? Oh yeah, 7%. Yeah, so that's like 1 vote each. Average needs
We
more
have
work.
14
Welcome
votes,
to
mate.
social media, mate, where you just have to deal with trolls. You can't expect.
But
You
the
put a
problem
poll
is-
out.
The problem is that these people are your subscribers.
Yeah, but
not trolls.
you put your poll out. You got to expect semi-expect it to get chopped off. Right?
No, not at all.
It's being on social media in general.
Bro, if you want me to come back.
It doesn't matter what video I'd release. There's always 1 or 2 people that dislike
but
it.
you've got a you've got a presence.
I don't know
I'm
about
just a
that.
blow in.
Yeah.
Anywho,
So what was I saying?
Joy
Oh
BOFA.
yeah, so I was going to do a hot rod version of those boards, but yeah, I'm sure you understand that if you're replacing a board in an amp that someone just wants working again, that you have to have it sounding pretty close to the original, or they might get upset that they have to change their settings. Guitarists hate things changing, particularly the less techie ones. So if anything really changed, they might get upset. But yeah, offering a hot rodded one would be a good option and obviously you'd have to have a lot of samples and stuff on with a good player, videos just to show what the finished result is, player gain, blah blah blah, whatever, modified feedback circuits. Yeah.
They all go into your bag of shame. Which is over here.
Joy buzzer. I heard dickhead in the USA and got nervous for a second. Thought he was talking about me. No, mate. You've been here since bloody almost the beginning, I think, haven't you?
Jesus.
Yeah. A few names come and go, but there it is. A few of them stick around. There we go. Bag of shame.
There's another one up there from the mullet I did.
Yeah. Mainly just caps and a couple
Caps
of
and resistors.
drifted resistors.
Pretty much every resistor needs changing.
Yeah, if it's in a critical spot. If it's not, then
Well,
yeah. But yeah,
well.
they're going to keep. Well, they're going to keep drifting.
So we've got a bit of time up our sleeves. We might just give that a quick
Give it a
splash around with a
We're
bit
going
of.
to turn it on.
bit of
You're
IPA.
going to?
Oh, she's turning it on. Oh, fuck! You got to clean the other sockets. No.
Just a
Michael
quick,
Ibrahim, he loves your work, but he's just here for the beard.
Hey, Michael. There you go, mate. So that's Michael Ibrahim of MI Audio.
Same, Michael, same.
And yeah, he makes some of the coolest amps I've ever fucking had on my bench. So good on you, Michael. Everyone says I hate all amps. It's fucking bullshit. I hate the majority of the production amps because they're all shit and they're run by corporate fucking beasts instead of, people that actually give a shit.
Oh, Bradley, someone's going to ban you.
And Michael is someone who does give a shit.
I've already given that one a bit of a hit. So
It was like about 5 years. Yeah, I found you on Blues Junior video. I commented on your 14 Flukes. Don't have 14, but 5.
I've only got 3.
If I was,
In a Beckman and a Western.
I often wondered why no one makes like a multi DMM that like is rack mount and has like 6 ports, you know, for monitoring shit with RS-232 output for monitoring, you know, test gear.
It goes to there.
Because yeah, it makes sense if you've got a piece of gear and something's going wrong. More often than not, I'll just attach all the Flukes to all the critical lines and set them all to alarm mode, so, you know, min-max mode, so if anything changes, it'll beep like crazy. I'll be able to run over, maybe even put a bit of tape above the reading and just write down what it was when it was stable. And then if anything's out of spec, it gives you a place to investigate, a bit more focused to be able to find the problem. But why don't they make like multi-DMMs that have like 6 meters on the front panel, like for testing gear, for that kind of thing? And production too, production work. Probably because it'd be fucking expensive. It's just buy 6 meters. If you want your channel to grow, make more Blues Junior videos. Everyone has one and they're all fucked up. Yeah.
Is that the one that Scotty found you on as well, which is Blues Junior?
That was a Hot Rod Deluxe. Oh, Hot Rod Deluxe, Hot Rod DeVille. The Blues Junior is not as bad as the Hot Rod and Blues Deluxe or DeVille because it doesn't draw as much current from the low voltage circuit, basically. It's a bit simpler, but they do also run the valves way too hot, so there is that.
I have not noticed this ratty one.
What?
Oh, that's a little mustard cap down there, or this one?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck that is?
Yeah, it's just on the cap. Be right.
The mustard's probably fine because they're really good.
You're fine.
That's possibly not even original.
Yeah, I think that's a 3. So would that be 3 picofarad? That little fucker?
No. What the this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, this thing here.
Yes, I'd say it is.
Oh yeah, what is that?
Yeah, it's with an oscillator.
Oh yeah, there it is. 3 microfarad. That's from the
Yeah.
primary to the secondary, the first
Yeah.
thing. I told you I'm not very good with
Micro, so it's really small.
So,
That's
yeah,
your
well, pico.
That's your RF input transformer.
Okay.
Can I do the honours of like flipping the switch?
If you want to suffer the wrath of sparks and fire and flames,
Yeah.
Shit. Champions, it's the moment of truth.
not quite.
No? Okay. Are we going to get there today, you reckon?
Maybe. I think they've just got to hook up a speaker of some sort. Because it's got a weird circuit here. Whereas the output of your speaker is being fed back to here, so it's a bit of negative feedback.
Negative feedback, right.
But yeah,
Is it that?
you got a 5k there, so it can never go to the ground. What I might do is one of these shitbox little speakers, like that little bastard over there. It's only
Oh, yeah.
it's 8 ohm, but that.
Did you have another one over there?
I did.
Was that it?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's here. We might just hook that up for the
I'll have
purpose.
to remove the light to get that out, I think.
Yeah, no, look at that. Just move your mouse.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, I like the louvers on the front. It looks good, eh?
Jason and Fiona aren't coming tonight.
What?
They're coming
Bugger.
tomorrow.
Oh.
We're staying at Royals tonight.
Don't. Oh, what have I done? I changed something.
I don't know, mate.
There we go. I'm trying to open the aperture a bit.
A bit of wire. Wire.
Now it makes my face look washed out. There we go. Alright, can sort of see everything again now. I thought it was only 1.6, yeah, that's a bit dark. Now it's dark. There you go. But then I'll put my head under it and I'm blind you. It's cool when amps burst into flames. Well, they're not yours, it is. I bought a Blues Junior on Facebook for $50. Had the burn tube door to board. I ended up gutting it and rebuilt it from scratch and turret. Well, it was nice. That was probably before I was selling my replacement boards. I could have just shipped you one of them back in the day. It probably would have solved the problem. Major Tom just got a Tektronix, or just gets a Tektronix TM506 loaded with 6 DM501 multimeters. Okay, well, that set me back, though. Jesus. I can smell the money off that comment. As soon as you say Tektronix, you're thinking money. 2 Blues Juniors running stereo would be a cool rig with a Texas Heat and 1 Swamp Thang in the other. Yeah, they're both fantastic speakers. I've got a couple of Swamp Thangs at home. I was going to, at the workshop, I was going to make some high-powered cabs out of. 2x12, it can take, what are they, 150 watt each? So 300 watt. Sorry about the janky video setup, but it is what it is.
That'll probably do.
So we're going to have to rig up the transmitter, aren't we?
We'll see what happens first.
We'll see what happens.
We don't know the state of the valves at this stage.
Yeah, true.
We're not going to waste your time putting them through a valve tester. It's just a lost cause.
He's a lost cause. He's a lost cause. She's a lost cause. She's a lost cause. You guys know that song?
No.
Only Aussies. Cosmic Psychos.
No, never heard of them.
Well, that's your failing.
Yep.
Nice day to go to the pub. Go to the pub. Go to the pub. Is this the Sigma lens or a different one? Yeah, it's the Sigma 18-50 that you're currently looking through on the face cam anyway. The overhead is an Olympus 12-200 because that's going through the Panny Boy. The GH5.
That needs to get aground. It's a pain in the ass being connected like this.
I don't think we're going to get to it tonight, champions, because we need to get dinner on the go. So,
We might.
I don't want to rush him. Don't want to rush you.
You can rush me.
Don't
The baby animal stuff into it.
Don't want to rush you. Don't want to rush you. It's too fucking cold there. Oh, you work on the speaker. Gotcha.
Yeah. I'm not getting through that.
Do we even remember what valves go where?
Yep. Piece of piss, mate.
Nah, we know now. We've looked at the schematic, bro.
Piece of piss.
He isn't Russian. Yeah. Doesn't drink vodka, he prefers whiskey. Vodka's just boring.
I like vodka lime and soda.
Yeah, but you got to add lime and soda to make it palatable.
No, you can just shop vodka if you want.
You can, but what's the point?
If you have to have good vodka, not like Smirnoff.
Yeah, but good vodka just... It's like good whiskey. Here's vertical is more taste, upwards, less taste downwards. Good whiskey is like, oh, better, more taste, more complexity. It's awesome. Vodka, the better it is, the less it tastes like fucking anything, the more it tastes like nothing. I don't understand that.
Well, there's definitely a taste there.
Yeah, but you just taste, the more sought after it is, the more pure, triple, quadruple distilled, bloody, quadruple filtered, chill filtered, cold.
Well, you know the great thing?
It means there's nothing left but ethanol.
You don't have to drink it.
Yeah, I won't. It's done.
My money that I make is for vodka. Your money can go to whiskey.
But yeah, but vodka's a scam.
We took a screw out of that. Excuse me, please, girls.
Because
Oh yeah, I took a screw out incorrectly at the beginning. Is that what you're talking about?
I just got put in my place. Because yeah, the better the vodka, the less it tastes like anything. Orange just released new valve tester, but it's not compatible with 12A Y7s, and it's like 1100 US. Fuck that. Orange's first valve tester was a fucking joke, so I think their second one will be just another cash grab. Waste of money, don't bother. I guarantee if you put a shorter valve in the orange valve tester, you blow the fuck out of it. Either that or it tests at like 20 volts or something. What are you looking for?
Blade screwdriver.
Yeah, that's right, Richard.
I still left it somewhere. I'll use that one. Just get this back in.
Belgian beer's like
I don't think that's the right screw.
making love while camping. It's fucking
No.
intense.
That was a little one.
Oh, there we are.
The little one.
This little shit here.
Come on, smoke. Alright, let's start another poll. Start a poll. Upon power up, will we be what's a nice way of saying it? Will we be greeted with smoke?
It needs work literally at the moment.
Glorious demodulation,
Demodulate you.
but no signal.
Come in there, you little shit.
Glorious. I can't type. I'm trying to reach around.
Oh well.
Full functionality.
Functionality. It's going to get personal now.
Start poll.
All right. Well, we know that one is going to be the 6X5.
Reach around, yeah. I'm reaching around the speaker, but on the other side of it to reach the laptop. I haven't thought about the setup. We've got a tripod, and it's got two legs. If you zoom right out, you'll see the two legs there. It's got, if I
Let's hang loose.
bring that back in, and the back leg is on a shelf, and it's retracted so it can be level. Bit of retensioning there.
Yeah.
Retensioning. Ooh, got the retension.
That one is going to be
Turn
6A8.
off and now, eh?
yeah.
Likes homemade organic beer in USA. Other than that, European beer is less toxic than USA beers. Man. Yeah, like Budweiser and that. What's the other one? Bush, is it?
Miller's.
Bush, Miller's.
There's PBT.
Pabst.
Paps.
Pabst! Blue Ribbon. That's the Frank Booth
What a
quote.
shit radio this is.
What a shit radio it is. Oh, you've only decided that now
Trying to get the bloody thing in.
that we've restored it.
One thing we haven't done, which we probably should,
Let's put that
before we
back
go
there.
too far, we could
Oh, we
say-
twisted over on yourself.
Ah, well.
Ah, Jesus. Oh, what's the poll at?
Yeah, in a minute.
33% glorious demodulation but no signal.
Oh well.
50% on glorious full functionality, and only 17% on smoke.
You get 12 votes.
All right,
Well, we have no leakage to chassis.
no leakage. That's good.
Just got to get these valves in somehow.
You want to sit? Okay. You want a mic?
Nope.
I'm going to go for a wee. See if
Okay.
you want a mic.
What do we talk about?
Can't see the baby.
Talk about whatever you want.
Today on Play School.
Someone,
Is this not Play School? You're playing and you're schooling me.
someone prompt Michelle with something to talk about because she's
Yeah,
having
Richard. Come on, people. This is going to work.
having a imagination deficiency.
Well, people just don't want to, like, hear what I've probably got to talk about. So, you know, I was going to greet this session and start it with a welcome. However, Brad just started it.
Oh, well.
I know. It's what you get.
Where's the bloody water on? Can't see it. Oh, there it is.
Pope's trying to fit
Big hands
tubes
into a
back
little
in.
tiny bloody
Did you
hole.
want me to put the tubes in?
No, thank you.
Okay. What kind of valves does it use, Pleb?
It uses a 6A8 as the converter. And the EB35, EBF 35, or hang on, I got that asked about, that's a 6A8 there. Oh, damn. Got to take that out again. 6A8 as the converter. An EBF 35, although this might be I can't really read it, but yeah, that's the IF.
Netball. Oh, Stephen, I could talk about netball all day long. I'm currently studying for my advanced certification for coaching, which is actually really time consuming and full on. It's got 4 different assessments. Then I have to do an in-person training session. And you can't take the court. You have to like coach from the sidelines. It's going to be super hard. And you can only fail it once. And if you fail a second time, you have to redo the whole thing again. So a little bit intimidating, but I'm excited to get my advanced certificate. Where else have I been other than Canada? I've been lots of places. I've been to the States. The first time I ever went to the USA, I went to Iowa because I went to summer camp at 19. So I've been in Iowa, land of corn. Done a lot around the States. Niagara Falls. I was meant to go to New Orleans, however, Hurricane Katrina came, so we didn't go. I've been to Colorado. I've been to somewhere else. My friend used to live there, and I can't think what it's called now. Near Iowa, like driving distance, but not Colorado. Anyway, I've been to Canada. I lived in London for 2 years. Did a Kentucky tour of the Europe when I was a bit younger, when I could do Kentucky tours. Some Pacific Islands. I lived in Scotland, ran a pub in Scotland, ran a pub in London at 21. So I've been quite a few places. I went to Morocco a couple of months ago. I've been to Turkey, been to Greece.
Just for safety, you may put a ground line.
14 votes, the poll is ended. 50% of you, so 7 of you reckon will have glorious full functionality. 29% of you, I can't do maths, but that's less than 7, mean we'll have glorious demodulation, no signal. And I don't know how much 21% of you is, but we'll reckon we'll have smoke.
Yeah, we won't have smoke.
APFF30, I've actually never been to Tasmania.
No, neither have I. I want to go there, eh?
I was going to send Brad there this year, but I didn't want him to
Where?
go because,
This year, 26.
well, last year, because there was a band playing that I know you really like. They're playing Dark Mofo, but I really like them, so I didn't send you down there.
Baroness?
Yeah, I didn't want you to see them without me.
Quite a girl's quiet.
Oh, because you're overseas.
Oh!
Smoke time.
No, it was,
Smoke time!
I had netball training. Oh, why'd you press the button?
Ah!
I was meant to press the button.
Oh, no. Hey,
got-
what you put your fingers?
It's going to show them they've got light.
Don't touch it. It hasn't got the earth pin.
Okay.
I've got a ground.
Oh, is he? Okay.
We've got light, guys. We have something. We have a light on. Oh! Can they hear that?
Bit of hume. 170. Is that it?
I made it work.
We've got a fucked rectifier. What's your AC?
HC's only a...
No, I mean your Ripple and your B+. Yeah, fuck all. 1.4.
Okay.
Have we missed the ground somewhere? Is it all this shit? The lights?
No, I don't think so.
It's more of a hum, isn't it? It's a hum. It's not a buzz hum. It's a hum. Something hot?
Smells okay?
I'm smelling more. Let's see what it is.
Literally, that's a troubleshooting technique, smelling for hot shit.
It's like a sniffer dog at the airport.
I think it's only, why the hum there, I'm not sure at this stage, but we'll see if we can get a little...
We'll get there, mate.
Sounds better than a Marshall 20
what's
water. Says AP530.
I think it's just the recto smelling hot, and it's just because she hasn't been run for a while. No, you pull it out. It's all right.
Was this built by the roller guy? Oh, lucky Jim, you're so funny.
See if she receives. Rebuild and ye shall receive. Little did they know this hum frequency attracts hundreds of angry kangaroos. We saw a bunch of kangaroos the other day at the beach, bro. It was the most fucking Australian moment ever.
Yeah.
We rock up to the beach, summer's day, and there's a bunch of roos hanging on the beach. I took video. I got to put it up. I'll do it up as a members only. Oh, AP's not a member though. Bugger,
Well, it
mate.
has to be, doesn't it? Because I know he's a subscriber to chat.
He's a sub, yeah.
He's
Doing-
a sub.
it's doing
not a
something.
dom.
What about the LEDs?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that got rid of the buzz.
Yeah. Hang on, what I want to do is now another lead.
Let's do some throat singing, Tibetan throat singing.
You're meant to laugh, you dickhead.
Sorry, I'm not zen enough.
I need some input.
Some IP. I can't really feed you anything from
Bad
the...
tube, bad pot.
Nah, it could be a bad tube. What are we dropping across that 2K?
It's only,
100 volts across that 2K.
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh. Yeah, something's drawing a fair bit of current.
yeah.
Then just let it for a minute. It'll only show us what it is.
Yeah. Well, maybe
Joy Buzzer, send me your address and I'll send you a koala without chlamydia.
without all the chlamydia. Yeah.
Pot is never bad.
Hang on a minute. Don't get excited.
Well, I already am. It's making noise.
Well, that's just hum. It's not really good. Get some signal here.
Rax effects, how you going, legend? What's going on? All the uroids are coming in because it's that time of day. I've got to get the hibachi charcoal going.
Joy Buzzer's been to Australia once, and all I got was a stubby cooler.
Ah, that's all right. If you're going to take one thing home from Australia, that's the right thing.
Rax FX says this is how they invented the didgeridoo.
Yeah. Maybe that's where they got the, I don't know, pipe organ idea from. It was around 80,000 years before it. Maybe 40. Well, we're getting signal. There's a lot going on still, Jammies, but we did get something then.
There it is.
going to get a copyright strike.
There you go. Signal. There it is, I'll take it out.
Ah.
Short-lived.
So it is working, but we're going to refine the hum.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I had confidence it was going to work.
Yeah, right.
Cheers.
Cheers! Let's spill beer on it. Maybe that'll fix it.
We'll fix the hum.
Yeah. Just got to teach it the words so it doesn't hum. You know?
It's such a dad joke.
It's a dumbass.
It's a dumbass joke.
No, if it is humming to the tune, it's a dumbass. So there you go. We're on the right track.
Yay!
So your work done has been.
Alright, so there's no smoke. What we're smelling hot is the fucking speaker wire touching the rectifier valve. So that was the smell.
Not the rectum fryer.
Not the rectum fryer. No smoke. We have sound, we have modulation, but we have hum. So, you know, pretty good overall, I'd say,
It's like
for
2
you
out of
guys.
3 ain't bad.
You did alright, woman.
Thanks.
You did alright too, big fella.
Oh, yeah.
I just sat this one out.
Bro,
I'm on holidays,
you
bro.
took over.
I didn't take over. I showed you how to do one joint. I can show you that down at the beach later if you want to.
Oh, you're so funny.
So I just put a notch filter on it. Here we go.
Oh, go back to Yellow Submarine.
I'll just go to filters. Here we go. Add. Do we have a notch filter? No.
Nah. It's not going to be playing this.
You what?
Should have gone back to Yellow Submarine.
Alright, here's the enclosure.
Yellow Submarine.
It's common, this is not.
Richard asked what the enclosure looks like. It's turn the light back on. Yeah, it's alright. So that's the front. We're going to replace the grill cloth, give her a good clean up. Glass is still in remarkable condition and all the silk screen's still intact. So that's the front. No, I reckon with the hum it wouldn't, and the talking over. You'd be surprised. Gets everything, because what happens is it's illegal, but the person dies, right, and now it becomes public domain, but somehow these little vulture fucks that don't produce anything for society somehow get the rights to shit that's public domain and then fucking sue you over it. And there's the back.
Who hasn't heard Hitchhiker before?
Me.
Camera?
I've never heard this song in my life, no.
There you go.
Well, I may have, but only once or twice. Certainly wasn't a regular.
Does it smell like you just plugged
It's Bobby and Laurie.
a soldering iron into a vacuum cleaner bag?
No, not quite.
Alright.
That's a good. I do know that smell very well though. Yeah. All right. Let's turn it off before it's smoked. None of the caps are backwards, are they?
I did have doubts with that one.
I think you'd know about it.
Right, that's okay.
Yeah, there's something funny's going on with the hum, but
You want a little furry thing?
my furry. It's not even a furry thing.
Uh,
I'll turn it off. Hang on. Oh, you turned it off.
just to
Sweet.
keep messing with my glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Look at me, guys. I'm a radio repairer.
No, you're not. You're a radio repair trainee.
Every jam tech couldn't find the cause of the hum, so I installed a notch filter. Yeah.
Now that's an audio fool, does that?
And Joy Buzzer said 95% of the songs from that era sound exactly the same. That's why they like them.
That shows you how much you know, mate.
There was a lot of cultural appropriation in that era of the 60s. You know, everything was like,
Yeah.
what was
Well, it was
the...
even worse in the 50s. You look at this.
What was the big bear, what was it? The Indian of the
Running Bear.
running bear, yeah. Bit of cultural appropriation in that. And then you got all the like Egyptian-y type bullshit. Yeah, they're like,
This is what Yardbirds, Kings, Christmas.
you know? It was just like, bro.
The Bengals hadn't written their song yet. How'd you know what they dance like?
Well, they had the graphics, right? The hieroglyphics. Well, they did that shit, you know? And everyone just assumed that's what they were doing. But maybe they were going like, you know,
Turn that way. And then turn that way.
Or change this ground to that level and that one to that one, you know, like maybe they're saying, oh, everything's equal. You don't know.
Maybe they're trying to do the teapot dance.
I'm pretty sure historians do teapot dance. Maybe.
This red
Yeah.
in the 50s.
In the 50s. AMR top singles in
Bing
1950.
Crosby and the Andrews sisters put that out.
Quicksilver.
Yeah, okay, and then next there was this guy here. Music was. I'm not sure.
Perry Como. Look out.
Yeah. And then there's. Look at this.
Nat King Cole.
Forever
Mona
and ever,
Lisa.
forever and ever.
Is that when...
Good night, Irene. Good night, Irene.
Is that when... Good night, Irene.
Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa.
Is that when Mona Lisa came out, 1950?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Nat King Cole.
I thought that was late 50s, not fucking 1950.
This is this program I was telling you about. That
Wow.
if Greg was interested, he could have a look at it.
Yeah.
It's you can select the year.
I can't believe... Nat King Cole, Mona Lisa got 2 stars. It's like, who the fuck's scoring this?
And you can go to the jukebox mode for that year, and it will just play randomly pick that 100 songs. So it's so simple. It's not hard. And I'll demonstrate it inside.
Okay.
Nice. Well, champions, we're going to head off. I'd say that's a 80% success. We've got to figure out the hum, but that's all right. It's clearly
Better than 80.
it's clearly functioning, and once we figure out that hum, I think that will clean up the signal quite a bit too.
And I'll be able to line it then.
Yeah. The other thing
The
is,
alignment must be pretty good to do what it's doing anyway.
yeah. The other thing is,
So these things don't go out of alignment unless someone fucks with them.
and we just
when
fucked
people-
with it pretty heavily.
No, if people grab a screwdriver and start trying to tune the irons, and they do the actual linearity tuning on the
Yeah.
in the front end, well, that's when it's hard to get back.
That's why I love
That's
it.
why this little box up here,
Yeah, it's got the oscillator.
it's dead solid, rock solid. You can tune it to the frequency you want.
What is that? That's a
960.
Feel Elec
Yeah,
FY6900.
yeah, and that's a
And that goes up to what?
60 meg. That one.
60 meg?
Yeah.
I thought it went to like a gigahertz.
No.
Oh, okay.
only 60 meg.
60 megahertz.
So even your what's the name? Your
Tech. Oh, Rigol.
the Rigol
Yep.
waveform
Yeah,
generator.
Goes up to 100, I think.
Doesn't go 100.
Doesn't
no.
it? Okay.
No, it doesn't go as high as this one.
What does the BK go up to?
Right, it's 10 meg, I think.
10 meg. Yeah, right, 10 megahertz. That's nothing.
Yeah. But that'll go to 60.
Just throw some more caps on the rectifier, she'll be right. Lucky Jim, stop thinking like a boutique amp designer, mate. I remember when Rolf Harris got exposed for being a giant piece of shit. Yeah, we remember that. I think he,
Is he still in jail? I don't know.
I don't fucking even know if he's dead. Who gives a shit?
Yeah.
Who cares?
It's just, the thing that pisses me off
That's
is
why he
he,
had to tie his kangaroo down.
well, he
To
ties
get
something
screw it.
down. But what pisses me off is he spoiled the wobble board for everyone.
know, yeah.
Now if you use a wobble board, it's like, are you a pedo? Or?
It's not actually. It's just that your brain goes there.
Well, he has ruined it because everyone, the first thing
No one ever played it by him.
there's
only
plenty of
ruined it
people
for
did.
himself.
Oh, lots of people did.
Yeah.
Lots of people.
Yeah.
Weirdos.
No, not weirdos. Country guys that like to and folklore type singing.
Yeah.
They loved that sort of stuff.
Because it provided rhythm to
People used to
poetry.
do it.
That was like,
Not pedoing, but he played wobble board.
well, yeah, no, plenty of people used to do that too.
That's where we finish it. Jesus.
Oh, he's dead. Okay, I don't even know if he's
Okay.
dead or not. He was a national icon,
Thanks,
and
Joey Bubba.
now we don't even know if he's fucking alive or not. So what does that tell
Good
you?
on you, mate.
All right,
Chat
legends,
later.
take it easy. I'm going to go start the hibachi so we can cook some, what do you call it, yakiniku. We've got some, there's a local Asian supermarket here, which is fantastic. And we went down there in Bateman's Bay, and they had all the cool, heavily fatty cuts of pork and beef, you know, the thin rolls. I forget what they're called, there's a name for them, but yeah, it's frozen, and you just pop it on the grill, and mate, heaven. Drips on the charcoal, gets the nice smoky flavour happening. So we're doing that tonight. We've got the hibachi ready to go. And couple of Japanese beers to suit the occasion as well, if we're doing that kind of thing. So, champions, bloody have a good one. Spend as much time as you can with your friends and family over this break. If you haven't got a break, well, I hope you got one shortly after. I often say musicians and entertainers, their actual holiday comes from pretty much the tail end of January into Feb. That's when their Christmas is, because they spend their whole holiday period entertaining people. So a lot of my audience is those kind of people. So stay the course. The break's coming up soon. When everyone's too broke after Christmas to go out, that's when the entertainer's holiday is, in Feb. So hold down the fort, and we'll see you on the next one. Tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. ASDT. Hang on.
What are you doing in the morning?
Australian Standard Daylight Time? No, Australian AEDT, Australian Eastern Daylight Time. The next video in the Rivera Modified Fender series is going to be released, and then same time the day after for episode 3. Not going to be able to film episode 4 until I get back, because I didn't have a chance to finish that until, well, I won't have a chance to complete that until I get back and film some stuff. All the work's done to it. I just need to film some shit and get it edited. But yeah, it turned out really well. Spoiler alert for whoever's still here. And in the meantime, though, we'll have the video ripping apart Dad's amp and showing the guts and doing some modifications, sound samples. One of the most interesting parts of it was showing how I mic up a cabinet, and how much the mic position affects the tone, and how it sounds like a completely different amp and speaker if you just move it by like 1 inch. So I think that'll be interesting to see. Anyway, take it easy, legends. Don't work too hard. If you can't be good at it.
Well, be careful.
Nah.